The vote on this proposition is set to happen on the 4th of August, and if it does go through, it will be the first time since August that the company has gone through such an auction. According to Tesla, this split is to help employees get better flexibility with the management of their equity. It would also make the stock more easily accessible to the lower-level retail shareholders. But how does this help? In reality, a split does not really have any direct effect on the finances of the company. However, it would keep the share price alive by opening it up to a wider range of investors to consider buying the stocks following the dip in its stock price over the last couple of weeks. Tesla's constantly explored all the options that could get investors into its stocks again, and this is a great idea. Combining all the developments and innovative plans that Tesla's got planned for the future with the split that it's now planning, we could see a massive buy-in for investors that will play a huge role in boosting the price of the stock by the time it happens. 10 Tesla stocks could be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars in the near future. What are your thoughts about Tesla's stock price? Do you think all these factors are enough to spark a surge? Let us know in the comments section below. And while you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there. Most importantly, if these upgrades and releases go as planned, we can be sure that interest in Tesla among investors is going to spike again. And that spike could also come with a huge spike to the price of Tesla stock, a great benefit to investors currently holding on to it. By the time these start to take effect on the price of the stock, just 10 Tesla stocks could be worth a lot of money. But that's not all as fascinating as FSD cars are. They are not. The only cool thing that Tesla's got planned to release for the world. What could be cooler? Robots. As Tesla's day draws closer and closer, there's been a lot of rumors flying around about what to expect from the company. While there are rumors, Elon Musk has already revealed that Tesla will be unveiling a prototype of its Optimus robot at its AI Day in September. In fact, the CEO made it pretty clear that the event date has been moved forward to get the humanoid robot fully ready for the public eye. This particular project is so important to Musk that he claims it will be more significant than the electric car division that got the company to where it is so far since the first teaser of the Optimus was released in August of last year at Tesla's first event. Fans and critics have been patiently waiting for a first look at the masterpiece that Tesla's got planned. Optimus is said to be a general-purpose robot that will be fully functional and capable of navigating on its own with several cameras, sensors, and of course, a self-piloting system. According to Elon, the final goal for Optimus will be to have a robot that can perform different tasks like grocery shopping and house tours. Just like the upgrades that Tesla's famous electric vehicles are getting, the AI robots and its capabilities are bound to draw the attention of investors from all over the world. Once Tesla can deliver on the promise of the unveiling and start showing progress, then the ripple effect is going to be explosive. There's no doubt AI is going to become a big part of the world. And with Tesla looking to pioneer this move, as they did with EVs, it can be pretty confidently said that the price of the company's stock will witness a huge boost. Having a quick flashback to when Tesla's stock price was less than $100, and seeing how it multiplied by 5 and then by tenfold when the market began to explode. If Tesla is once again able to lead a new market, then we could see another repetition of history with the price of the company's stock. Investors holding 10 or more Tesla stock could see their investment double within a year or 2 of owning their shares. Another interesting conversation that could really make a huge difference for Tesla and its stock price in the future is the expansion to certain borders with its Starlink project. Starlink recently announced a partnership with the Brazilian government that gives the company permission to host its satellites in the Amazon rainforest. The main objective for Starlink is to bring internet access to millions of people in certain parts of the world. Lacking it in the last couple of months, Starlink has been able to make major progress with its negotiations and partnerships with several countries to run its projects in their territories. With the partnership in Brazil, thousands of schools in rural areas without an internet connection will now be connected, and it could help monitor and protect the Amazon rainforest. This is just one of the many countries that Musk is looking to push the boundaries of its reach to. And if he can successfully reach these countries, it could draw the attention of local investors in these regions and, of course, the international scene. At the moment, SpaceX, which currently runs the Starlink project, is still a private company under Elon Musk. However, a lot of activities are connected to Tesla. Therefore, when the right moves are made by SpaceX and its Starlink project, a lot of the good reflects on the Tesla stock price. So once Starlink has successfully launched its systems all over the world, it could also bring a huge amount of traffic towards Tesla, both locally and internationally. Getting into a more stock-centered topic sometime in the first week of June, Tesla Inc. proposed a 3-to-1 stock split. This move would make the company's shares more affordable and, of course, an attractive option for investors that like to buy cheap. This proposition came as a result of the massive sell-offs that happened at the end of May 2022. Could owning 10 Tesla stock make you rich? Hey, everyone, and welcome back to Everything Tesla Stock. After experiencing some downtime at the end of May 2022, Tesla stock prices are starting to flatten out. And while a lot of investors began panic selling, some experts and Tesla stock whales believe that Tesla's stock price could still grow beyond expectations sooner than later. In today's video, we're going to be exploring the facts and figures, the future of Tesla stock, and how owning just 10 shares of Tesla could be worth way more than you think. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy content like this, then hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications by ringing the bell. While some big names have moved to forecast a lower price for Tesla's stock price performance in 2022, the financial numbers of Tesla suggest otherwise, with Tesla making a lot of sales. Same with Tesla's future projects. They suggest otherwise. A significant year-on-year return has almost become a thing of normalcy for Tesla shareholders. As an example, if you purchased 10 Tesla stocks at their peak price in June 2021, you'd have paid $6,940. In June 2022, your 10 stocks will be worth approximately $7,500. That equates to about $540 in just 1 year. This amazing performance over time has been amidst several forecasts that the price of Tesla's stock would drown. In summary, this is not the first time that this has happened, but how has Tesla managed to consistently exceed the expectations of critics through all these years? Well, the answer is simple. Elon Musk's simple and unique style of running his company is one thing. The company has managed to stay at the top of its game in terms of research and development and innovation. With that being said, let's take a look at the latest within Tesla and how all of that could play a role in boosting the price of the stock. The first, and probably most interesting announcement that's got the internet buzzing is Musk's announcement of Tesla's fully self-driving beta version 0.11. The Tesla CEO has hinted that the company's fully self-driving FSD beta version 11 could be set for a global release by the summer of this year. Musk stated in a reply to a tweet that asked when the beta version 11 of Tesla's FSD vehicles will be released. Musk wrote, "I am driving an alpha version of the FSD on a highway, and it's not quite ready. Probably ready for wide release this summer." However, this is not the only update on Tesla's fully self-driving vehicles. In the second week of June, Tesla already stated that the CEO hoped to have the beta version 10.13 of FSD vehicles released by the end of June. According to the source, Musk said that the net versions of the FSD beta rolling out in the coming weeks will have significant upgrades to the system and major attention to maneuvering roundabouts. So far, most testers who have gotten their hands on Tesla's FSD betas have had nothing but positive things to say about the experience and execution of all the promised upgrades, which actually does bode well for Tesla's next set of betas.